Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Senag M8 wireless speaker, and this is for smartphone, tablet, PC, laptop. Oh, it's got some plastic on here. Okay, so pick this up off of Amazon. It runs about $40. I'll leave a link in the description below as usual. You guys can check it out if you want to. It's got a lot of suction right there. It's like the world's slowest unboxing. My goodness, that is snug. Okay, there we go. On the top we have a nice little bit of foam for padding. Okay. And here is the deal right here. This looks, wow, my goodness. This is probably the largest Bluetooth speaker I have seen. It is, oh, it's got like the woofer thing there on the bottom. This is supposed to be waterproof. And it's wrapped in this nylon with silicone around it. It's a pretty cool looking speaker. It's got a plus and minus button here. I'm guessing that's for the sound, which is kind of cool. Let's see, auxiliary. Maybe that's a power button on top. We'll see what else we got in here. There's a little tab here. Does that open up anymore? Okay, so we got 3 ports here on the top, a USB, micro USB, well actually 4. Looks like an audio jack, and also right below the USB, I don't know if you guys can see that, there's a spot for a SD card. So apparently this has a music player in it, so it can play music as well. I'll have to test that out when I do the demonstration part of this video, or the demonstration part actually. So that has a nice little silicone stuff. I'm trying to get it back in there real quick, just like that. Oh, it doesn't want to go in there for some reason. Dun, dun, dun. Anyways, has a couple buttons here for, looks like loop maybe. Okay, let's see if I can get a little close up there. Looks like a power button, backward, forward, play, pause, and maybe a loop button. So I guess it's a speaker with a player in it, I'm guessing. Just kind of throwing stuff out there right now. All right, has this nice little cord here too. You can hang it on your tent, wherever. Pretty cool looking little speaker. Appears to be well constructed. Let's see what else is in the box here, one second. So I had this little tray there. Okay, here we go. We got a couple of cords here. We got an audio cord, so you can plug it in your computer if you want to. And then a USB to micro USB, probably for charging, be my guess on that thing. So we're going to get this charged up. Also in the box, warranty service card and the instructions. So pretty excited to check this one out. Playtime, normal playtime says about 8 to 10 hours on that, so that's pretty cool. Wireless connection, memory function, supports the U-Disc, built-in battery, hands-free function, support MP3 wave, WMA, FLAC, APE. Use high fidelity speakers, make sound more natural and delicate. Let's see, so the button mode, short press switch function, long press series function, previous song. It's got the power button, play, auxiliary interface, all that good stuff. So pretty cool. I'm guessing I could just download some songs onto a little SD card and throw it in there. Be all right. Also, how to set up the Bluetooth. So this is kind of, I'll be doing all that when I do the demonstration video, show you how to set up the Bluetooth, maybe how to run it on the computer. I'll see if I have a small card I could put in there and download some songs on there, maybe play it off of that too. So pretty sweet looking speaker here. Appears to be well constructed and sturdy. So let's see if it's actually got some juice in it. Sometimes they do. Ah, it does. Oh, whoa. So just with that, I don't know if you guys heard that or not. I had a little bit of sound there. So it's flashing. It's probably connecting to, trying to connect to a Bluetooth device. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, get it fully charged. I'll be doing the review video and demonstration. I'll leave that link in the description below also when I get that finished. You guys can check it out there if you want to. That's it for this unboxing, my friends. Just kind of showing you what's in here and what we got. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Ooh, that's cool. Anyways, all right, my friends, everyone have a great day. We'll see you next time, and take care out there. If you guys like what I'm doing here, please feel free to like and subscribe. I do appreciate all you guys' support. Have a wonderful day, and happy holidays.